Now let us move on to performing data analysis using Excel. Sorting and filtering in Excel are two powerful tools that can help you to organize and analyze your data. Sorting data allows you to arrange your data in ascending or descending order based on the values in a particular column. For example, you could sort a list of names in alphabetical order, or you could sort a list of numbers in ascending or descending order. So consider this data here that gives me information on the number of pizzas delivered across different branches. Now, if I want to sort this data, I would first need to select the table. I can either do it manually with the help of the mouse by dragging it across the cells, or I can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl Shift and then right arrow, which highlights the cells till the rightmost column, and then down arrow to select bottommost row. Now go to the Home tab, and here you can see the sort and filter option. Now if I click over here, the first option that you see here sorts the data in alphabetical order or from lowest to highest depending on the type of data in the first column of the array. So if I click on this, you can see that our data is sorted based on the order number. Since it's alphanumeric, it is sorted in the order of alphabets and then numbers. Now if I once again go to sort and filter and click on this custom sort, I can define the column based on which I want to sort my data. For example, if I want to sort the data based on the branch, I will select the sort by parameter as the column branch and then sort it based on cell values. Other than this, if you click here, you can get more options such as cell color, that is, if you have color coded the cells, then you can sort your data based on the cell color. Similarly, font color or conditional formatting icon. I will leave it at cell values as of now, and I want the order to be A to Z. Now, once the data is sorted according to the branch value, I want to add another level. So I will click on add level here. So after the data is sorted based on branch, I want to further sort it based on the pizza type. Again, I'll sort it based on the cell values and the order as A to Z. Now I'll click OK. Now you can see that the data is sorted first based on the branch. So here you can see Arizona. Then under each branch, it is sorted based on the pizza type. So first it is chicken ball and then chicken feast and then so on. So this is how you can do multiple levels of sorting. Now moving on to filtering. So filtering data allows you to display only a subset of your data based on specific criteria. For that as well, we follow the steps similar to sorting. So first select the data, press Ctrl and Shift and then right arrow and then the down arrow. Then I'll go to the same option, that is sort and filter, and then select filter under that. You can also see the shortcut over here. It is always good to get into the habit of using keyboard shortcuts as it would make your work 10 times faster. So I have my range of cells selected. Now I will press Ctrl Shift L altogether and you can see that the filters are applied to the header of the table. Now if I want to filter my data based on the pizza type, I will click here, and from here, if I want to display the data only for chicken feast, I will first remove all the selections by unchecking the box and then select chicken feast and then click OK. So you can see that all the other rows other than chicken feast are hidden. Similarly, I can display multiple selections. For that, all I need to do is to check the boxes for the type of pizzas that I want to display. So now I have selected 3 pizza types, and when I click OK, the rows corresponding to these 3 pizza types are displayed. From here, I can filter the data further. Suppose I want to display the ones only with the remarks as good for these pizzas. I can do that as well. So just like sort, you can also perform multiple levels of filtering on your data. Now to remove the filter, you can use the same shortcut, that is Ctrl+Shift+L, or alternatively you can use the clear filter option here. I'll use Ctrl+Shift+L to remove the filter.